ano, lungad-lungad, anak. It's okay, anak. Okay, it's okay. Oh, uy, very good. Oh, very good. Opo. Opo, anak. Yes, anak. Sleep na. Sleep na ulit, anak. Sleep na ulit, anak. One more? You're still hungry? You're still hungry? Oops. Okay. Can I anak? My baby. This is my baby. Oh, I love you, anak. Tender love. I love you. I love you, my baby. I love my baby so much. My baby. May uni ko iho. Please be healthy, anak. Please be healthy. Baby mo pa, anak. Please be strong, anak. Okay? Lalaban tayo. You are survivor kaya, anak. Diba? 9 months yan sa tummy ni nanay. Diba, anak? 9 months yan sa tummy ni nanay. Diba? Oh, I love you, anak. Anak, oh, you have clear eyes na. Love you so much. I love you so much. My baby loves. I love you. Ooh, look at that cute little feet. That cute little feet. That cute little feet. Ah, look at those panda. Look at your look at your socks, anak. Ooh. What is that, anak? Oh my God, anak. Oh my God. Sorry. Sorry. Sorry, anak. You're sleep na? You're going to sleep na? You're busog? okay, anak. It's okay. When you grow up, anak, you can play na outside. You can play basketball. You will go and study. You will graduate and you can do whatever you want. Basta anak, in the guidance with the Lord, okay? Basta walang inaapi, walang sinasaktan tao. It's okay, anak. With the guidance of God, laking healthy yan. Hey, baby boy. Sleepy na ang baby boy namin. Mag-burp ka, anak, ha? Huwag kakalimutan natin mag-burp, okay? Mag-burp yan, okay? Then I start to break up. Only is the man without love. Anak na, anak? My baby loves. I love you, my baby. Sleepy ka pa din? Bakit? Sleepy pa rin? Enough na, anak. Enough na? Huwag mo na i-finish yan. Palagyan natin ng water yun later. Enough na. Burp, okay? You burp. You burp, anak. No. Basta kasi mangot. Anak ka na, itsura yan. Burp ka na, anak. Mag-burp na. Mag-burp na. No? Mag-burp na. Burp na ba yun? Burp na? Burp ka na? Okay. Okay, anak. Okay. Nakamag-ano ka. Magsuka ka, anak, ha?